Alright guys, welcome back to Chubb Adventures, and today we're up in North Tampa, my old neck of the woods, when I first moved down to Florida, here in Bruce Downs area. What do they call this? USF area. So right now we're on Bruce Downs. Went by an old place I used to live at. Well, meanwhile, we are going to go for a hike since we're up here. And I was up here taking a look at a few things, and I figured I'd get Duke out and see if there's a hike. So we put in the GPS, a place that we want to go to, and it's about 15 minutes away. Anyways, but meanwhile, you guys come along. American Freedom Tour 2024. Let's get fired up. Alright guys, so right up here on the left is one of the oldest breweries in America, called Yingling, and it's right next to Busch Gardens here in Busch and Bruce Downs area. So I want to show you guys this real quick as we drive by. They actually have like a tasting room and some places to visit, like food and stuff like that too. So like, these roads are nuts. Things like, get me out of this thing. But you guys go back to my the last couple years videos, I went to Busch Gardens to show you guys exactly what it's like to hang out here in Tampa and go to Busch Gardens. So who knows? City of Temple Terrace Riverfront Preserve. Alright, let's go check it out. Sunset to sundown, or sun up, sun down. Trails that way, so that's where we're gonna head. It's like, heck yeah, man. Well, guys, it just rained here and it poured. That's why I stopped off at a place to chill at. Looks like there's someone coming. Any water before we go? Alright, let's check out All Trails real quick. So, I always go to All Trails. Lost them for a minute. Oh, it's all wet. Of course it's going to be all wet. Come on, Dick. Come on, bub. He's like, heck yeah. Just rained here a little bit ago. So, hiking trail only. Let's see where this will take us. Alright, yeah, so this will take us to the river. But I'm trying to find... Oh. So it's called Terrace Riverfront Park Trail. So that's where we're at right now. Alright, so it's going to take us right up to the Hillsborough River, but it's a wet one. I forgot, man. Start doing that. Putting off hiking shoes, hiking bag. Oh my god. Keep moving, because the fucking bugs are crazy right now. Holy crapola. Bug mania, Dookie. Ah. Hey. No. Oh my god. The bugs are everywhere. How long we're gonna last here? Not long at all. I'm getting chewed. Alright, this is it. Alright, come on. Guys, we're coming back because look at, I got freaking mosquitoes all over me. Come on, Duke. Come on. Hey, come on. Holy freaking bugs. Trail. This would be a good thing to do in the wintertime for sure. But we'll just go a little further. Oh my god, I don't think I see all the bugs, but I am just getting chewed up. Look at, bam, all over me. Come here, Duke. This is creepy. Hey, steak. Oh boy. Steak, hey, come here. No, we're not going any further. Oh. Holy crap. Alright, come on, left. Let's go. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Nope, come on. Holy freaking bugs. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever been chewed up this much. Even Duke's like, get me out of here. Well, that was the quickest little hike, but a pretty cool spot to go check out though in the future. This is why I love winter in Florida and summers everywhere else. Spring, summer, and fall. Northern states. And I'm talking about northern states, that means north of Florida. It's insane. That was pretty nuts. That guy left. Hiking trail. Abandoning animals is a violation. I can't even believe you have to put a sign up for that. Abandoning animals is a violation. People do that. Bicycle trail. Let's see what this is over here. Bicycle trail only. So it's a mountain bike big trail. Nice. Alright guys, well, I am getting chewed up. Well, not as bad now, but was. So a hiking trail and a bike trail. And look at, they have some bike stuff here. Come on, dude. So you got pumps and little tools. Come on, dude. Come on. Get off my doggy. There's little mosquitoes everywhere. That's nonsense. Holy smokes. Well, guys, that was a freaking quickest hike ever, but great spot. Man, I got chewed the heck up. Freaking mosquito infested swamp area. I feel like everything is on. Sorry about that rock. Kill the mosquitoes everywhere. I can't believe I just saw a sign that people actually abandon their animals back here. They have a sign for that. Crazy fucking people, man. Alright guys, thank you for watching this episode here in, what would this be, Temple Terrace, or, yeah, Temple Terrace, right off Hillsborough River. Temple Terrace Riverfront Park and Trail. That's a great spot to go hiking. You got the Hillsborough River, which you've seen guys in the past. But meanwhile, it is what it is. At this time of year, we're lucky to get off my donkey, man. Get off my dog. Get off my dog. Get off my dog. Oh, Jesus. You got blood on you. It's got blood on him. Look at it. Come here. Let me show you. Get. Did you get whacked by something? Huh? That's alright. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching American Freedom Tour 2024. Let's get fired up. This is just the beginning. We're getting into fall here sometime soon. Another month and a half. So, keep watching. Freedom. Never know where we're gonna go.